Right now, there are so many nurses, physician's assistants, and nurse practitioners that are leaving a clinical setting, like in the hospital or an office practice, and going into aesthetics. Now, the reason for this is pretty simple. The aesthetic environment and the aesthetic space offers these providers more flexibility, more creativity, and also allows for opportunities in entrepreneurship. Now, this is a great thing, but the problem with this is that there are numerous companies out there that will help providers launch into their own practice. And there are a lot of resources also for learning to become a better injector, learning to use lasers, and there's lots of information about different products and procedures. There's information about medical record systems and how to launch your business, how to market your business, and all of those things. However, where I feel the industry is really lacking is that there's nobody teaching these aesthetic providers, who are mostly women, how to be an entrepreneur. And what I mean by that is that entrepreneurs face some significant challenges, and nobody's really accounting for that. So the bottom line is that when these women transition into entrepreneurship, they often will neglect themselves and they will become stressed. And nobody's really providing resources on how they should manage the stress, how they can do better self care and implement these practices into their busy lifestyles. And the other problem is that so many of these providers are actually women. So that means that either they have children or they may be considering having children. And there are no resources available for that. So the important thing to know is that there is a significant emotional toll with entrepreneurship. And how we can combat that is by learning good techniques on self care and developing a certain amount of emotional resilience. So, if this topic resonated with you, and if you're an aesthetic provider or if you're thinking about becoming an aesthetic provider, please subscribe to my channel and I'd love to hear your comments.